Okay, right now we will come back to understand more about how to write a goal and objective. Goal is about to define how to achieve, and our objective will be more action-based. So they are linked together in terms of two of them, like goal and objectives. But just remember that when we talk about goals, it's a little bit like, we look at, how to achieve with the vision. So vision is more future, but then we talk about the objective in terms of, the current situation, what you want to achieve, okay? But then objective will be a little bit more specific. So in terms of goal and objectives, goal will be a little bit broad, okay, abstract. It's maybe you cannot measure how to be success because it's quite broad. Give example, there are about 5 issues that you can focus on. So goal can be about focus on profitability, or maybe can focus on growth, like sales growth, or retention, customer service, okay? And that will talk more about the satisfaction level, okay? So that 5 focus, that's just a little bit broad, I give example for the goals. So like you want to increase sales, you want to increase the growth rate. So which is broad, you cannot even measure. So when we talk about objective, which can help to support goals, objective will be more specific, okay, measurables, okay, and possible to define, okay. So that's the idea of objective. So I just give example, like the objective could be increasing 5% growth rate with the repeat customer within 5 months. Okay, so that's just quite clear in terms of we talk about how to measurables, how to achieve, okay, and also it's pretty much specific who is the target that will be achieved. So maybe you heard about the terms of SMART objective, like specific, measurables, unturables, or attainables, or achievable. Sometimes they choose achievable, which is need to be make sense or reasonable enough when you talk about achievables, okay. And R is just the realistic or relevant. So is need to link to your focus, or is need to link to what you want, okay. So and last is time frame. So that's why time can help you to specify how to achieve. So that's what we talk about SMART, SMART objectives, as you can see from here. So we will talk a little bit more about how to create the SMART objective. But in fact, if you want to create a good objective, you cannot tend to ignore SMART term, which is actually will help you a lot. So that's what I give you some example for the good objective. So you will see this will quite different from goal, which is a little bit broad, okay, and it's abstract. But when we talk about objective, will be specified, measurables, and that possible to achieve. So that's the difference between goal and objective. So right now you understand vision, you understand goals, you understand objective. So why not try to write a business plan, or we'll study, talk about how to write marketing plan as well. In terms of business plan and marketing plan, you can use the same scenario to write, but in terms of vision, we use it for the business plan. So right now, are you ready? If you're ready, write it, and we will talk about it soon.